The 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser, a legendary return with modern advancements. The Toyota Land Cruiser is one of the most iconic SUVs in automotive history. Renowned for its rugged durability, off-road prowess, and luxurious comfort, the Land Cruiser has been a favorite among adventurers, families, and collectors alike. After a brief hiatus in some markets, Toyota is bringing back the Land Cruiser for 2025, and it promises to be better than ever. Combining modern technology with its legendary reliability, the 2025 Land Cruiser is set to reclaim its throne in the SUV segment. A return to its roots. The 2025 Land Cruiser takes a nostalgic yet modern approach, drawing design inspiration from its predecessors while incorporating cutting-edge features. Toyota has embraced a more boxy, retro look reminiscent of the classic 70 and 80 series, which will surely please longtime fans. However, this is not just a throwback, it is a sophisticated blend of past and present. The updated grille, LED headlights, and rugged stance show that the Land Cruiser remains ready for any adventure. With a focus on practicality and durability, the 2025 Land Cruiser is built on Toyota's TNGA-F platform, the same robust frame used in the new Tundra and Sequoia. This ensures improved structural rigidity, enhanced ride quality, and better off-road performance. Powertrain and performance. Gone are the days of gas-guzzling V8 engines. The 2025 Land Cruiser embraces modern efficiency without sacrificing power. Under the hood, it features a 2.4-liter turbocharged four-cylinder hybrid engine, producing 326 horsepower and 465 pounds-feet of torque. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, this hybrid powertrain delivers both strong performance and improved fuel economy. Toyota has prioritized off-road capabilities with full-time four-wheel drive, a locking center differential, and available locking rear differential. Additionally, features like multi-terrain select, crawl control, and downhill assist control ensure that the Land Cruiser remains a formidable off-roader. With an impressive towing capacity and enhanced suspension, this SUV is prepared for any terrain or task. Interior. Comfort meets utility. While the Land Cruiser has always been known for luxury, the 2025 model strikes a balance between comfort and practicality. The interior features durable yet refined materials, designed to withstand rugged adventures without compromising on style. Seating is spacious, with options for leather upholstery, heated and ventilated front seats, and a power-adjustable driver's seat. A 12.3-inch touchscreen dominates the dashboard, equipped with Toyota's latest infotainment system, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium JBL audio system in higher trims. For families and adventurers alike, the Land Cruiser offers flexible cargo solutions with fold-flat rear seats and ample storage compartments. The panoramic sunroof and ambient lighting further enhance the cabin's atmosphere, making long drives comfortable and enjoyable. Technology and safety. Toyota has equipped the 2025 Land Cruiser with its latest suite of safety features, Toyota Safety Sense 3.0. This includes pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, dynamic radar cruise control, road sign assist, automatic high beams. Off-road tech features such as a multi-terrain monitor provide real-time visuals of the surroundings, ensuring safe navigation over challenging terrain. The advanced infotainment system, with over-the-air updates, keeps the SUV future-ready. Trim levels and pricing. The 2025 Land Cruiser is available in multiple trims, catering to various needs. Land Cruiser 1958, a nod to the original model, This entry-level trim focuses on rugged essentials with fabric seats, round LED headlights, and basic off-road features. Land Cruiser, the mid-level trim adds more comfort features, including heated and ventilated seats, a larger touchscreen, and additional safety technologies. First Edition, a limited production model featuring unique design cues, roof racks, rock rails, and premium leather upholstery. This trim is for enthusiasts who want a fully loaded experience. Pricing for the 2025 Land Cruiser is expected to start around $55,000, making it more accessible than previous generations while maintaining its premium appeal. Off-road capabilities, built for adventure. The Land Cruiser's reputation as an off-road legend remains intact. With 8.7 inches of ground clearance, robust skid plates, and a full-time 4WD system, the 2025 model is ready for any challenge. The advanced multi-terrain select system allows drivers to choose the optimal settings for various surfaces such as mud, sand, and rocks. Crawl control acts as a low-speed cruise control for extreme off-road conditions, while the electronic locking differentials ensure maximum traction. Whether you're navigating desert dunes or snow-covered trails, the 2025 Land Cruiser delivers exceptional performance and confidence-inspiring control. Fuel efficiency and sustainability. Toyota's decision to introduce a hybrid powertrain addresses fuel efficiency and environmental concerns. The 2.4-liter turbocharged hybrid engine offers an estimated 23 miles per gallon combined, a significant improvement over previous Land Cruiser models. This eco-friendly approach aligns with Toyota's broader strategy to reduce carbon emissions without compromising performance. The hybrid system also provides additional torque at low speeds, enhancing off-road performance. Why the 2025 Land Cruiser stands out. The 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser is more than just a return, it's a reinvention. Key highlights include iconic design, retro-inspired aesthetics with modern touches. Efficient powertrain, a robust hybrid engine that balances power and fuel economy. Advanced technology, cutting-edge safety and infotainment features. Unmatched off-road capabilities, built for the toughest terrains with Toyota's renowned 4WD systems. Accessible pricing, positioned to appeal to a broader audience without sacrificing quality. Conclusion. The return of the Toyota Land Cruiser in 2025 marks a significant moment in the SUV market. By blending heritage design cues with contemporary technology, Toyota has crafted a vehicle that respects its legendary past while embracing the future. With impressive off-road abilities, a luxurious yet practical interior, and a fuel-efficient hybrid powertrain, the 2025 Land Cruiser is poised to become the top choice for adventure seekers and SUV enthusiasts alike. For those who value durability, versatility, and style, the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser offers a compelling package. It is not just a vehicle, it is a statement, a promise that no matter where the road leads, the Land Cruiser will get you there, comfortably and confidently. Adventure awaits, and the 2025 Land Cruiser is ready to lead the way. I've drafted a comprehensive 1,000-word article on the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser. Let me know if you would like any adjustments or additional details included.